Hey everyone, BuddyTB first video on PokemonBuddiesTB. Me and my friend share it. This is going to be my bell tower walkthrough. Then catching Ho-Ho. Now it gets a little tougher. And to show you, I got only knows 3 moves. I could say Charizard too, but now I will warn you, bring Max Repellent or Repel. This does get a little tough, but I'm gonna change his theme a little because I don't really like his theme. I mean, I've done this whole game, but I'm gonna do a walkthrough of it, and I'm also gonna do a walkthrough of Mario Combat. Everyone loves Mario, right? Right? Alright, boys in the background, be honest. I'm just joking. But yeah, I will be doing a Mario Combat walkthrough. Nobody, I'm not talking about you. Alright everyone, meet my cute little puppy dog. He always has to cut in my videos, well, because he's the star of my original account. But back to what we're doing here. Oh, yeah, see, he wants to come over and cuddle with me now. But of course I can't let that happen, because, well, I'm making a video. And as much as I know he's cute and cuddly, I can't have that right now. Now don't think this is easy, because I'll say this right now, and I'm gonna be truthful, this is hard. That's why I said you might want Max Repellent. There's gonna be lots, and I mean lots of wild battles. Oh, an item, I'm just gonna pick it up. You can find a rare candy here, full restore, PP up, and I don't know, I think a protein. No, full heal. Yeah. And some items I don't feel in the mood to get in. Yeah, a lot of people in my school are talking about how Pokemon is gonna be a legend again, but I mean, my class is weird, I guess. If I can remember this correctly, I think you go, yeah, you go to this one. And then you have really no choice but to go to this one. Pretty sure you go to this one. Yeah. Now, I'm really not too sure which one's a little more tougher. Getting the Lugia or getting a Ho-Ho. I will say this to all you Pokemon fans. getting the Ho-Ho is a little more tougher than getting the Lugia. I mean, he's a high level Pokemon if you have Soul Silver. In Heart Gold, it's gonna be a piece of cake. He's only level 45. Now, this is where you get to face Ho-Ho, but none really back here. Alright, well, this is where I'm gonna be cutting off his theme. Actually, no. Right here is where I'm gonna stop this, alright? So until then, I'm going to show you how to battle Lugia. Stay tuned.